Hi, this is Ann at Bridges and Johnson Law. How can I help you today?
Hi, I have a dispute with my tenant. They haven't paid rent in over 6 months, and I was just looking to get some legal advice and to explore my options.
Oh, that sounds frustrating. Is this something that needs immediate attention, or are you looking for general advice?
Well, I mean, it's hurting me financially, so it's kind of an urgent situation. The sooner I can consult with a lawyer, the better.
Got it. That makes sense. Could you give me some information about what the dispute is specifically about?
Well, basically, I've had this long-term tenant and they've run into some financial hardship and they just expressed to me that they can't pay rent, but they've been there for 6 months. I've tried to be patient with them. They keep saying that, okay, well, next month I'll be able to pay, and it just hasn't happened. And I want to be kind of empathetic, but at the same time, I'm losing money and I just need to understand, what the next steps are.
I totally understand. That sounds like a tough situation. Let's get you set up for a consultation. Can I get your full name, please?
Yeah, it's Jason Weinberger.
Thanks, Jason. When would be a good day and time for us to schedule a call with one of our attorneys? Our
Uh,
office hours are Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m.
Mondays are best for me around 1:30.
We're booked at that time, but I can fit you in at 1:15 or 1:45. Which works better for you?
1:45 works.
Great. I'll schedule you for 1:45 p.m. on Monday. Can I get the best phone number to reach you?
Yeah, it's 416-123-4567.
Perfect, thanks. And what's a good email to send you the appointment confirmation and details?
That's info@smartclose.ai.
Thanks, Jason. So I've got you scheduled for a consultation on Monday at 1:45 p.m. with Michael, one of our senior partners. Does that sound good?
Yes, thanks very much.
All right, Jason. Michael will call you then. Thank you for contacting Bridges and Johnson Law. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too. Okay, so I'm going to run you through how I created that. I'm in vapi.ai, and the first thing I'm going to do is click on Create Assistant, give it a name, and then we have templates here: appointment setter, customer support, inbound Q&A. I prefer to just create it from scratch so I can customize it. So create an assistant, and then the first thing is we're going to give it an intro message. So we're going to say, "Hi, this is Ann with Johnson and Bridges Law. How can I help you?" And now we're going to fill in the prompt. So obviously, if this is your firm, you know what questions you're typically asking someone. But let's say you want some suggestions. Maybe you can improve some of your processes. So a good way to start brainstorming some new ideas is to just go into ChatGPT. And I'm going to say, I want you to create a prompt for a receptionist answering the phone for a real estate law firm. The objective is to determine what they need help with. Are they closing on a purchase or sale? Do they have a property dispute, or is it something else? After you establish this, the goal is to schedule another phone call with a senior lawyer to see how they can help and get more details. Ask if they prefer mornings or afternoons and let them know our hours are from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday to Friday. After they choose a time, ask them for their email address to send a confirmation. So that's the basic prompt of what we want to achieve. Now we're going to give it some personality context. In other words, what type of tone do we want? How do we want the AI agent to communicate? So I'm going to say, communicate in a friendly, professional, and empathetic tone. Be direct but not rude. Do not, under any circumstances, give any legal advice. If someone asks for legal advice, explain that the lawyer will follow up to assist. So that's going to be our instruction to ChatGPT. Let's see what it comes back with. Okay, so We have our greeting, determining their need. What type of assistance are you looking for? Are you closing on a purchase or sale, dealing with a property dispute, or is there something else we can help you with? Transition to scheduling. I understand. I'll make sure you're connected with one of our senior lawyers who can assist you further. To do that, we'll schedule a call so they can gather more details and provide the help you need. Would you prefer to speak with them in the morning or in the afternoon? So it's good to give people both options, and then they can just choose one. Our office hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday through Friday. Confirm and request email. Great, we'll schedule your call for day and time they select. To confirm, may I have your email address so we can send you the details of your appointment? Addressing legal advice. If someone asks for legal advice, I'm here to assist with scheduling and general inquiries, but legal advice can only be provided by one of our lawyers. They'll be happy to address all of your concerns during the scheduled call. Closing, thank you. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly. If you have any additional questions before your call, don't hesitate to reach out. Have a wonderful day. The only thing I forgot to add is if they have a property dispute, ask if it's urgent. So we want to include that as well, just so we can pass that on to the lawyer or the legal assistant. Okay, so if they say it's a property dispute, it'll respond with, I see you're dealing with a property dispute. May I ask if this matter is urgent? This will help us prioritize your case. So this is pretty good, and we can always make adjustments just to make sure that it matches exactly what you need. So I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to go back into VAPI and paste it in the system prompt. And I'm actually just going to stick with the greeting that we have. So I'm going to take this out, and then I'm just going to delete this. Okay, so this looks pretty good. And then there's a bunch of other settings that I'm not going to get into now, but I hope that helps. If you want us to build one of these for you and your business, we'd be happy to connect. Just reach out to me, and my team and I will follow up with a custom AI game plan.